What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another WRX. Yes, I said WRX. Let's get into this car here. Alright, what we've got here today is my buddy's 2016 WRX. Like I said, yes, it is a WRX. As you can see here, there's some stuff that's not really standard to a WRX. Like the Brembos. Got some STI fender badging there. Of course, the STI wing. I believe a whole STI trunk, really. So my buddy Cody bought this car, almost 3 years back now, I believe it was. And he bought it from a dealership up north near Seattle. And we live down in Long Beach, Washington, just for reference, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos. And whoever owned this car did quite a few modifications to it, as far as changing it over to more or less what an STI would look like. As mentioned, Brembos, STI wing, but they went a step further that a lot of people don't do. So they actually went as far as changing out quite a few of the interior bits too. So like these seats, both front and rear. We got the shifter bezel and all that stuff. They didn't change this portion out. On the STIs, if you don't know or haven't seen one, they do have a little cover that slides over the cup holders, and then up here would be where your DC/CD controls would be. But they did change this piece out. Now this car is actually going to be going up for sale here very soon. Once it is for sale, I will post a link in the description of the car if any of you guys are interested and you're in the Oregon or Washington state areas. This car will be up for sale. I guess to talk about a couple other things this car does have done to it. So it does have an ETS intake on it, and it has a full turbo back exhaust system. Now we're not sure what J-pipe this car has. It looks to be a catless one of some sort. But we do know that the the catback system is a nameless catback system. And it does have the, of course, resonator in the mid-pipe, if you guys have ever looked at the nameless systems. This car actually has, it's got the nameless mufflers. I believe they are the 5-inch mufflers. I'm not entirely sure. They're the 5 or 4-inch mufflers. But this car sounds incredible. My car, over there, I think sounds great. This car sounds a million times better in my opinion. It's not so loud. It's still loud, but it has an amazing tone to it. Why don't we just give you some exhaust clips here? A couple other things to note here on this car that isn't factory. These headlights, I'm not entirely sure which headlights are. They kind of look like the CB Speed ones, but I'm not entirely sure. But they do have the C light that actually changes to amber for your turn signals. This grille is not factory. I want to say this is the JDM grille, but I could be wrong. It's been a while since I looked at it. And then it does have the hello horns with the parent bracket. Well guys, that's going to wrap today's video up. Once again, if you like this video, smash that like button. Lets me know that you like the content that I'm creating, and also lets YouTube know that you like the content I'm creating and they can recommend it to you. Also, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'm always happy to answer any questions you have, and it's always nice interacting with you guys. And then if you aren't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. We are pushing for 1,000 subscribers. We just hit over 200 subscribers, so that's awesome of you guys. Thanks for everyone that's been subscribing. With that being said, we will see you in the next one.